This is sketchy. Jesus Christ. Good morning guys, I changed the front pannier with this avocado. So I already fall down, that's amazing. Before starting the journey here in Australia. The reason why I fall down is because the front pannier is definitely too heavy. But I can't do anything, so here I have my flag, so it's behind me. So just go. Go, go. And we start the Outback. Around the house there is nothing, just me and Zoe. This one is the current situation, full of flies. It's not nice, but I can't complain because once you stop, it's like this. It's not bad, this rest area. The only thing, the water is not, that tank is not suitable for drinking, and we have the reception. So it's good. Then Sorry is trying to pee somewhere. So good morning guys. Yesterday was hard because it was just the first day and had a problem with the drone. Figure out. Now it's fine. Sleep very well. Lost some stuff as always. Forgot the socks. Have to find out the sponge of the helmet. I didn't lose so much. Really have to be careful. Be careful. So, don't know, maybe 10? No. 17 degrees. Little bit cold, but it's okay. Because if it's cold, there are no flies around us. So, what you're waiting? Let's go! Yeah, very hard. Beginning of the day, a lot of wind, then a lot of up, down, up, down. It's not flat, as Sori said. Welcome in New Zealand, no, in Australia. So yesterday was a hard day. We did 105 kilometers. And today we have other 77 with many hills, so it will be hard even today. The weather was really bad. Yesterday we had a lot of wind ahead, and well, in the end we met a great people. Almost everybody asked to us what we are doing, where we are going, and where we came from. So far it's been tiring to tell to everybody the same story, but that's fine. The main problem in this country is the water, then the reception. So reception at least is important, because if you need to check something online, you can't here until you don't get to the big city like Alice Spring for the next one. So 400 kilometers without reception. Front of us. Jesus, dingo. Two dingo. Yeah, in front of us. Good morning. Yesterday was good. We had a reception for the mobile phones. Then we had a place where to camp, and we had also showers, so it was almost okay. I checked online some solution to figure out the problem of the drone, and it seems I found a solution, but I don't know if it works. So the night wasn't so pleasant because we have dingoes around us. The least at the beginning, just one, then two, then three. Make a little fire to keep away the dingoes, but actually it doesn't work. So just kept calm, then was okay. And now it's hard, not super hard, but it's bumpy, very bumpy. Sorry, go, little bit. I'm